Welcome to Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada Smart Mind. I'm your friend Spiner from Newfoundland and Labrador, and a named Newfoundlander by choice. Today, I will guide you to learn English in 3 steps: theory, an example, and some exercises. Should any questions arise, I encourage you to reach us via our comments section. Moreover, if this content resonates with you and you know someone who would benefit from it, please share this video with them. Step 1. Theory. Learning English is like building a house. You need a solid foundation, reliable tools, and a clear plan. The theory part of this video will cover the essential building blocks of English grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Grammar is the skeleton of any language. It holds everything together and gives your sentences structure. The key components of English grammar are nouns and pronouns. Nouns are the names of people, places, things, or ideas. Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition. For example, instead of saying John went to John's car, we say John went to his car. Verbs are action words. They describe what the subject is doing. English verbs change forms based on tense and subject. For instance, run becomes ran in the past tense. Adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. For example, in The quick brown fox jumps quickly, quick and brown are adjectives, while quickly is an adverb. Prepositions. Prepositions show relationships between nouns or pronouns and other words in a sentence. Common prepositions include in, on, at, by, and with. Conjunctions. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. Examples are and, but, or, and because. Vocabulary. A rich vocabulary allows you to express yourself clearly and creatively. Here are a few tips to expand your vocabulary. Read regularly. Reading exposes you to new words and context, making them easier to remember and use. Use a thesaurus. A thesaurus can help you find synonyms to vary your language and avoid repetition. Practice writing. Writing regularly helps reinforce new vocabulary and improve your ability to use words correctly. Pronunciation. Pronunciation is key to being understood. Here are some tips to improve your pronunciation. Listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers and repeat what they say. Pay attention to the rhythm, stress, and intonation of their speech. Record yourself. Recording yourself speaking can help you identify and correct pronunciation errors. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is essential. Try to speak English daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Step 2. Example. Let's put the theory into practice with a short story. This example will demonstrate the use of grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation tips discussed above. Story. A day in Newfoundland. Once upon a time, in the beautiful province of Newfoundland and Labrador, there lived a friendly dog named Rex. Rex loved exploring the rugged landscapes and meeting new friends. One sunny morning, Rex decided to visit his best friend, Max the cat. Rex ran swiftly across the green fields, his tail wagging with excitement. When he arrived at Max's house, he barked happily. Max, who was lounging on the porch, stretched lazily and meowed in greeting. "Hey, Max, do you want to go on an adventure today?" asked Rex. Max yawned and replied, "Sure, Rex. Where shall we go?" "I heard there's a hidden waterfall in the woods nearby." "Let's go find it," Rex suggested. Max nodded, and the two friends set off towards the woods. As they walked, they chatted about their favorite places in Newfoundland. Rex loved the coastline with its dramatic cliffs, while Max preferred the quiet forests. After a while, they reached the woods and followed a narrow path. The sound of rushing water grew louder, and soon they discovered the hidden waterfall. It was a breathtaking sight, with crystal clear water cascading down the rocks into a serene pool. Rex and Max spent the day playing by the waterfall, enjoying the beauty of nature. As the sun began to set, they headed home, tired but happy. "That was an amazing adventure, Rex. We should do this more often," said Max. "Absolutely, Max. There's so much more to explore," Rex agreed. And so, the two friends continued their adventures, discovering new wonders in Newfoundland and Labrador. Step 3. Exercises. To help reinforce your understanding, here's a quiz with 10 sentences. Each sentence has 3 options. Choose the correct option, then check your answers at the end. Quiz 1. Rex underscore across the field. A. Run. B. Ran. C. Running. 2. Max is underscore on the porch. A. Sit. B. Sits. C. Sitting. 3. They decided to underscore the waterfall. A. Find. B. Found. C. Finding. 4. Rex's tail was underscore with excitement. A. Wagging. B. Wag. C. Wags. 5. The waterfall was underscore sight. A. Beautiful. B. Beauty. C. Beautifully. 6. They underscore about their favorite places. A. Chatting. B. Chat. C. Chatted. 7. Max underscore the quiet forests. A. Prefer. B. Prefers. C. Preferring. 8. The sound of water underscore louder. A. Grew. B. Grow. C. Growing. 9. They underscore the day playing. A. Spent. B. Spent. C. Spending. 10. We should do this underscore. A. Often. B. More often. C. Most often. Answers and explanations. 1. Rex ran across the field. Ran is the past tense of run, indicating an action that has already happened. 2. Max is sitting on the porch. Sitting is the present participle of sit, used with is to form the present continuous tense. 3. They decided to find the waterfall. Find is the base form of the verb used after decided to. 4. Rex's tail was wagging with excitement. Wagging is the present participle of wag, used with was to form the past continuous tense. 5. The waterfall was a beautiful sight. Beautiful is an adjective describing the noun sight. 6. They chatted about their favorite places. Chatted is the past tense of chat, indicating an action that has already happened. 7. Max prefers the quiet forests. Prefers is the present tense of prefer, agreeing with the singular subject Max. 8. The sound of water grew louder. Grew is the past tense of grow, indicating an action that has already happened. 9. They spent the day playing. Spent is the past tense of spend, indicating an action that has already happened. 10. We should do this more often. More often is a comparative adverbial phrase indicating increased frequency. Conclusion: learning English is a journey, not a destination. With the right approach and consistent practice, you can improve your skills and confidence. Remember, language learning is a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're an essential part of learning. Our sponsor, Canada Smart Mind, offers daily courses in English and French, as well as job searching assistance, all for just 20 cents a day. It's a flexible and affordable way to enhance your skills and improve your lifestyle. Check the links in the description below for more details. Should any questions arise, I encourage you to reach us via our comments section. Moreover, if this content resonates with you and you know someone who would benefit from it, please share this video with them. Don't wait for a miracle. Do the work yourself and take the next step towards mastering English and achieving your dreams in Canada.